Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Maths Online class. Myself Deepika Singhvi. In our previous class, we have done exercise 3D, and now today we are starting exercise 3E. I hope you must have completed exercise 3D in your notebooks. Now, our today's exercise depends on the topic finding the missing digits. For that, we have to keep in mind some points. So let's start. As you all know about that, when we have to find difference, that time minute minus subtrahend, the number which is on the top is called minute. Now the number which we are subtracting, 8 minus 3 here. So this minus 3 is here subtrahend. And the answer of subtraction, 8 minus 3 here 5. So the answer is called difference. Now when we have a missing digits, so with this small example we will understand that how we will find the missing digits. The first point is minute minus subtrahend is difference. This we all know about. This minute minus subtrahend is difference. Minute minus subtrahend is difference. This point we all know. Now the second point, when we have missing digit of minute, think about that. If we don't have this number and we have to find what will come here, so that time what will we will do? Difference plus subtrahend. Difference plus subtrahend. So our difference is 5. The difference is 5 and the subtrahend is 3. So when we will add 5 plus 3, it's 8. See here, we got our 8. Now, minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Now think about that we don't have this subtrahend. We don't know that number. We have our minute and we have our difference. That time what we will do? Minute minus difference. Minute is 8, difference is 5. So 8 minus 5, 3. So here 3. So in this way we can find missing digits. Let's start today's exercise. Exercise 3E. The question is fill in the missing digits. We are taking part first. Always when we subtract, we start from the ones, so we will start from the ones. Here we have minute, subtrahend we don't know, and we know about difference. It means we have to find subtrahend. So subtrahend is equal to minute minus difference. But if you see here, minute is smaller, means 5 is smaller than 9. What it means? It could be, this 5 could be 15. So for 15 we will borrow from tens. Here 2 remains and here 15. Now minute minus difference, 15 minus 9, 6. So what here comes? 6. Now here is 2 and here is 6. So 2 minus 6 not possible. It means we have to borrow. So here we borrow 12 minus 6, 6. Now again we don't know about subtrahend. The subtrahend is missing. So minute minus difference, but here 8 is greater than 7. 7 is small. it means here could be 17. Here we have to borrow, so 17 minus 8, 9. What will come here? 17 minus 8, 9. So here comes 9. Now here 7. So 7 minus 5. Minus minus difference. So 2. So here comes 2. So see the help of these points how we can solve these missing digits. Now we have to find missing digits in second part. Here in the ones, the minuend is missing. We know about subtrahend and difference. So minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. So our difference is 1. Our subtrahend is 4. So our minuend could be 5. Now here 7 minus 8, not possible. So we will borrow from hundreds. 17 minus 8, 9. Here 8 minus 7, 1. Here the same, we don't know the minuend. So what we will do? Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. So difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Now third part. In third part we start with the ones. In ones we don't know the minuend. So what we will do? Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. 6 plus 3, 9. Here also we don't know the minuend. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So we can't write two numbers together here. We will write 14 here. Now 4 comes here. So 4 minus 8, not possible. It means we have borrowed from here. So now what we will do? First we will find the digit. Here 9 and 3. So 3 plus 9, 12. So 12 we will write here. Now after borrowing the 12 remains here, it means here could be 13. So here remains 2, and now 2 minus 9 not possible. So we borrowed from 1000. When we borrowed from 1000, here is 12. 12 minus 9, 3, and now here 8 and 6. We have to find subtrahend. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 2 comes here. Let's come on fourth part. 9 minus 4, 5. Now here we don't know the subtrahend. So then we have to find subtrahend, minuend minus difference. So minuend 2, difference also 2. So what will come here? 0. Now here 4 minus 2, 2. Here also we have to find subtrahend. So subtrahend is equal to minuend. Our minuend is 9. 9. Minuend minus difference. So the minuend is 9 and the difference is 0. So 9 minus 0, 9. So what will come here? 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. So with the help of that points, that formula, we will solve our parts. So that's it for today. In exercise 3E, we have only 4 parts. Now you have to do these in your fair notebook. That's it for today. Goodbye, my dear students.